With a kneading machine, you are able to complete all your laborious work instead of spending time and effort mixing the ingredients and kneading the dough yourself. However, finding the best dough kneading machines is no easy feat, as many excellent mixers and bread stand machines can do it. We hope to be able to help you choose the best kneading machine by reviewing some of the top models and providing an ultimate buying guide in this video. Let's watch the video. Welcome to Best Get. We review kitchen and dining products. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Number 1. KitchenAid Artisan Series 5. Kitchen appliances manufactured by KitchenAid are renowned for their best value and fully meet industry requirements. That's why we recommend using this best KitchenAid mixer to knead bread dough or do baking jobs for bread makers. The 5QT bowl that comes with this dough mixer is sufficient to make the ideal dough for small to large loaves. You can make up to 9 dozen cookies or 4 bread loaves at a time, just to give you an idea. Such a powerful performance needs a solid build to accommodate. Stainless steel is used in high-quality mixers and bowls to increase longevity. Therefore, long-term corrosion or other damage is not a concern. This mixer delivers performance and quality with a lovely tilting head design that makes it easy to add ingredients to the bowl. With the KitchenAid mixer, you get a better hook and a 6-wire whip. Flat beaters and pour shields are available. You can save some extra money by using these attachments that are already included with the pizza dough mixer. You also get a 10-speed controller so you can change the mixing speed if needed. It's ideal for mixing practically anything on the fly thanks to its speed controls. This stand mixer is one of the best to use in the home kitchen, but since it's a high-performance appliance, it heats up very quickly. Additionally, you may experience overheating if you regularly work with heavier doughs like pizza dough. Number 2. Aucma Stand Mixer. The second position goes to the Aucma Stand Mixer. Its power stands out the most as what makes it one of the best kneaders for demanding needs. You can quickly make pizza, cakes, muffins, cookies, and other baked goods with this 6.5 QT bowl capacity. This is one of the largest capacities on our list, ideal for large families. You can expect that this machine will outlast a regular stand mixer as it is made of high-quality stainless steel. Not to mention, the double-layer painting not only makes the machine shinier, but also resists scratches better. Adding ingredients to the bowl won't be a problem because of the tilting head design. In addition, this manufacturer equips its product with a 6-speed controller, which is dishwasher safe and allows for uncomplicated cleaning. You will have a dough mixer, a whisk, and a dough hook with this kneading device. Every home cook needs a bread machine along with these 3 extras. Therefore, you will save more costs when buying this dough kneading machine. Number 3. Cuisinart 5.5 Quart Stand Mixer. Another well-known brand in the kneading machine market is Cuisinart, which has outstanding aesthetics and speed control. And the SM50BC stand mixer is no exception. Its 12-speed controller is what sets this mixer apart from others. This is the only product on our list with this many speeds controls. You can adjust the pace to mix different items with ease. For example, higher speeds for whipping cream or egg whites and lower speeds for heavy bread dough. This is one of the best mixers that you can choose for its functionality. You can notice that this item has a different body material, unlike other mixers on our list, for a streamlined look that matches almost any interior design. This dough mixer features an all-metal shiny body and brushed chrome finish. You can also avoid problems like rust for this reason. You won't have any issues with the durability of the bowl either, as it's made of stainless steel. If you have a small family of 4 to 5 people, this 5.5 QT bowl capacity mixer might be one of the better options. With these additional baking tools and kneading tools, you can prepare small loaves of bread in no time. Mixer, splash guard, flat mixing blade, pouring spout, and kneading hook are included with this mixer. Therefore, purchasing these attachments will not cost you any extra money. Similar to KitchenAid, the Cuisinart SM50BC is compatible with attachments such as ice cream makers, meat grinders, purees, and pasta makers. Number 4. CUSIMAX Dough Mixer Tilt. You can quickly create any size loaf of bread at home for the family with a 6.5 QT bowl capacity. Thanks to its 6.5 QT basin, this kneading machine may also be used for other tasks like mashing potatoes or creating puddings. This product features a lot of accessories, just like other well-known kneading machines. The whisk, beater hook, and whisk are some of these accessories. All of these attachments are of high quality, enabling you to make some additional financial savings. We have tested it and found that it is worth the hype. Last summer, we threw a small party of 10 people, and this beast turned out to be our right-hand man. We minced beef and chopped veggies for salads using the flat beaters, while the dough hook helped us prepare enough dough for a delectable 12 inches pizza. For dessert, we used the wire whisk to make smooth and mouth-watering puddings and the flat beaters for a double batch of chocolate cookies. Of course, such a capacity is more than sufficient to feed all 10 of us. Number 5. KUCCU Stand Mixer. This one resembles dough kneaders very much, as was mentioned earlier. So, even though this dough kneader is significantly less expensive than models from other well-known manufacturers, let's look at the other characteristics it offers. This machine delivers the same 6.5 QT bowl capacity as a high-end mixer for a reasonable price. Therefore, there is no difference because both offer an equal amount of storage. The dough mixer used by CUCCU is similarly constructed of stainless steel. Thus, you may anticipate that it will endure longer and be dishwasher safe. The bowl is also composed of stainless steel, which greatly increases the durability of the overall set. This is also an investment to get the most out of your cash because the kneading machine includes a lot of extras like a flat beater, pour guard, a dough hook, and a whisk. Additionally, you have 6 speed controls, which aren't the best but are still a respectable choice. Thanks for watching. If you need more information, feel free to visit the link in the description box or the comments below. If this information helps you make the right decision, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. That's encouraged me to create more.